Guys, let's talk about Skomota. Just imagine Skomota was at his peak. While at his peak, he looks like a crazy man. Only to find out holy, he's not getting paid. Imanager yakhe idriver imoto serious. Igqoka impahla zokwanukusho. Ukuthi nje lento entertainment is just nje ama-promoters babhatala uthi bambhatala 1,000 nakhona sometimes bengaphelelanga. Just imagine uzokhokhelwa 1,000 ubhukwa kanje uSkomota bakabhukwa phela uSkomota. Hey, he was the most booked person in Limpopo. Even nomakhathi bengathola ama-bookings nje njengoSkomota. Labo Limpopo boy bebemzama nangama-gigs. Yo, cabuza wonke amagele. And uBlack Cat used uSkomota. Usebenzise uSkomota to get fame. Lamntana, I don't think she's that popular. Ayikho famous lamntana. She used Skomota and she used Bando Tsakeleke to gain fame. She uses people aba famous ukuthi again fame ukuze atwazi uthola ama-gigs. That's how she stays relevant. Most influencers in this industry date famous people to stay relevant or rich people so that by finance le career yabe engayindawo. Yabona? Abekho talented labo girl labo. They are not talented at all. Umbonile lo babo lo oposte umfazi wakhe eshonile, umposta ku TikTok. Like ama-views angaka. But abantu bathi she's not dead or dead. Guys, comment down on the comment section if iqiniso lelo or ini. You guys, you kubi mhlabeni kubi. And it's very terrible. As guys, awekho amanzi eNashfield lana ngaseDuba ngaseMaponya Mall. Just imagine angabi khona amanzi endaweni that is close to the mall. What is the government doing about this? Yini government yabona la ekseni ngithe mangivula amanzi la ekseni ngabona amanzi engaphumi kahle aphuma nje amaconsi khana manje aphuma full power nakhona like aphuma like 50% of it. I was like, what's happening in South Africa? What's happening in South Africa? What is the president doing? Ama-minister babhizi nama-slay queen those girls who look like prostitutes. Guys, nibadala lolu bangaka guys, nibadala lala ama-celebrity lokhu avezana ney'bunu, nibadala. Cabanga ufikile from generation azoveza amapunapuna ku-social media. Umdala ufikile DJ Zinhle naye uveza amapunapuna. Just imagine ayibongisa bheda ubongisa lamtshita othola lo DJ Zinhle ayibhayiza lamtshita. How can we allow this ukuthi uDJ nihlale ekamereni inesithombe sika AKA? Udesperate ngalo ndlela ukuthi baningi abantomazana kule industry, baningi futhi ungathathi intombazana kule industry. Thatha such a random girl ongazinikisa abo social media or anything mara onemali. Thatha umuntu maybe intombazana esebenza ebhenki, at least i-manager or something. Intombazana hayi girls DJ Zinhle abantwana abayi-20. Hayi, why girls amajita thanda lamantombazana lawa aretire ngathi lamajita aseLimpopo ngalamantu amazulu athanda amajita aseLimpopo namazulu bathanda amantombazana lawa aretire that they were hot back in the days ngey'nkathi zabo besichomela bathi thina we are nothing. Base sama-doctor la sebabuya la sebanama-HIV nama-STI nama-herpes A, herpes B, bana yonke inhlobo yemsangano ama-disease. Once wahlangana nabo, then in a few months or a few years later you die. Guys, ziyabuya. And uMampintsha, hey, if it didn't meet Babes Dube ngabe usaphila namanje, ngiyanitshela nasi Mampintsha, ngiyangitshela uthe behlangana noBabes waphela nya i-weight, waphela nya kusabheka ukuthi i-weight iyaphela shona. Why kwenzeka so in this industry guys? Why kuso? Please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button for more videos that will be coming. Thank you.